Hello and welcome to the short introductory video series of ASINASIN. With ASINASIN's easy-to-use advertising opportunity tool, you can find accurate and valuable insights about the product market position, demand, and advertising competition. ASINASIN can help you predict product and market trends before they happen so you can make quickly real-time decisions based on those insights to make successful and profitable decisions. It's a must-use tool for Amazon sellers to boost product visibility, reach more shoppers, and boost sales. You can start with select your targeted market location and time, then enter the keyword in the search box and click Search. The Results section shows you the in-depth data to analyze before advertising. Besides the keyword, you can see the relevant ASIN variants. You can see which variants of the keyword come from the query ASIN. You can click on these quick buttons to jump on each variant details analysis. You can slide to view more variants. The displayed variants are arranged in descending order from left to right according to the proportion of keyword traffic. You can see which category these products belong to. In the monthly search trend, you can see the trend of this keyword in the last 2 to 3 years. You can see the ABA ranking, monthly search volume, and chain growth rate. Correlation means the proportion of the same ASIN in the natural ranking of the first page of Amazon search results between the keyword and the query keyword. Here are the monthly search volume, daily average search volume, monthly purchase volume, and the purchase rate of the product. You can see the SPR rating to know how many sales you need to generate in 8 days for this product to rank on the first search page on Amazon. Title density tells you how many products are on the first page that's title contains this keyword. The number of goods refers to the total amount of products available in the market after searching with this keyword. Supply-demand ratio helps you understand the market condition and know if the product is saturated in the market. You can easily figure out the most demanded product in the market. Scroll your mouse right to expand more data. The advertisement number of the competing products indicates the total number of advertising products that have entered the first 3 pages of the keyword search results. PPC bidding tells you the suggested bid price, which includes the average bid price, lowest bid price, and highest bid price in dollars. You can understand the market competition, maturity, and marketing expenses. The Market Analysis section shows price distribution to see which price range is the most competitive, store distribution to see how difficult it is to create a new product in this market, and the distribution of score value indicates the maturity of the market. If you face any difficulties while using ASINASIN, feel free to contact our WeChat or online customer service.